Companies with accessible websites see up to 200% higher conversion rates. That's not just good ethics, it's smart business. Let me break down why accessibility is the secret weapon for business growth. Nearly 15% of people worldwide have some form of disability. That's a massive market you're missing if your site isn't accessible. Take this retail giant who completely redesigned their website for accessibility. They added alt text for images, improved keyboard navigation, and enhanced color contrast. The result? Longer visit times, lower bounce rates, and significant sales growth from previously underserved customers. Or this financial institution that trained their entire staff on accessibility best practices. They didn't just comply with regulations, they created a culture of inclusion that dramatically boosted customer trust and retention. Even nonprofits with limited resources are seeing the impact. One organization's accessibility improvements led to increased donations and community engagement, proving that inclusivity pays off regardless of your industry. The best part? Technology is making accessibility easier than ever. AI-powered tools can now automatically identify barriers and suggest improvements, saving you time and resources. Don't wait for a lawsuit to make your website accessible. The companies embracing accessibility today aren't just doing the right thing. They're positioning themselves as leaders in an increasingly competitive digital world.